I am Adnan Che, scholar of business administration final year. Let's start करना. Today I am going to present fourth topic of business policy, which is assigned by Sir Sattajavan Sangi. My first topic, the nature of management. Management function, manager, planning, organization, stopping, directing, controlling. Planning, activate, achieve the organization's objectives. Organization resources and activate to achieve the organization objectives. Stop the organization with quality people. Directing employers' activities towards achievement of objective. Controlling the organization activities to keep it on course. Management process of planning, organization. Management process of planning, organizing, leading and controlling an organization. Resources to activate. Management process of planning, organizing, leading and controlling an organization. Resources to achieve its goals. Planning, management process of director meetings. What an organization need to do and how best to get it done. Organizing, management process of director meeting, how best to arrange, achieve into a stature. Controlling the process of involving and controlling activities to keep the organization on course. Stopping the hiring of people to carry out the work of the organization. Downsize the elimination of significant number of employees from an organization. Top management, president, CEO, executive, vice president, middle management, plant manager, division manager, development managers, first line management, foreman, supervisor, office manager, top manager, middle manager, first line manager. My second topic, organization, teamwork and communication. Stature of impact, decision making, cost and effectiveness, overall success and sustainability. Organization culture, the firm shared values, beliefs, statures. Organization culture, the firm shared values, beliefs, structure. Philosophy, rules and rule model for behavior. Organization, teamwork, communication. Organization culture, formal experientation, internal experientation. Assigning tasks, employers because assigning tasks, employers become bureaucrat. Job dissatisfaction, poor quality product, increase employers turnover. Assigning responsibility, discharge of authority. Assigning responsibility, employer accountability. Forms of organization structure: honor, manager, assistant manager, early employees. Team small group wise member have completed skills, have a common purpose, goals and approaches hold materially accountable. My third topic, motivating the workforce. Motivation is defined as the willingness and asset high level of effort toward organization goals, contribution by effort and applied to satisfy some individual needs. Two-factor theory has been classification of need as highness factors and motivators. He tested two-factor theory, Heisenberg's classification of needs as Heisenberg's factors and motivators. High conductors study He conducted a study to find out the job certification and disposition factors, strategies for motivating employer. Job designation has identify the job. It is said as a motivational factors. Manager have said strategies that they can be used to design job to help improve employee motivation. Working from home is becoming increased common. Dayline commuting, job sharing, and can be beneficial employees who cannot work normal work hours. My fourth topic, human resource management. Human resource management is increasation of all process, program, and system in an organization that staff are increased and used in an effective way. Human resource planning, assigning create human resource, assigning future human resource needs, developing a program to meet needs, requirements, process of locating, identifying, altering capital candidates can be for creation of future needs, developing the workforce. Once the most qualified have been selected, have offered position and have accepted their offers. Thanks for watching.